This is a music light, audio music light. You can see here negative voltage and positive voltage. This is positive voltage, this is negative voltage. Middle is the input. You can see middle is the audio input, and right side is negative voltage, left side is positive voltage. We can use here 5 voltage to 15 voltage, 5 voltage to 15 voltage. Now I am going to check this circuit. If you want this circuit diagram, you can check the comment link. There have the circuit diagram. This is the positive voltage. Now I am going to use 6 volt. I have one 6 volt SMPS charger. I am going to use this one to check this circuit. First I check the voltage, which one is positive loop, positive wire, and which one is the negative wire. Maybe pink one is the positive, yellow one is the negative. Yellow one is the negative, pink one is the positive. Okay, you can see 6.5 voltage. Again I am telling you that we can use 5 voltage to 15 voltage in this circuit. This is the positive connection. This is the negative connection. Middle one is the audio input. Now look, it's working. When I touch the input, then it's working. When I touching the audio input, then the light is dancing. It's making a DJ. Again I am telling you that if you want this circuit diagram, please take the comment link. There have the circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics, Maipoti, Joshua. Visit electronicshelpcare.net or electronicshelpcare.com. There are lots of amplifier circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.